Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a $28 session. I have 2 tickets of the Big Spin, 2 tickets of Kapow, and 4 tickets of Loteria, the $3 ticket. Okay guys, let's do first the Big Spin. How's everyone? I hope everyone is doing good. I have ticket 71 and 72. Okay. And I did order to scratch a win, 2 coins, and one is gonna be a giveaway. This is his new coin, the latest coin in YouTube. If you haven't order yours, email him and yeah, he will send you. How many do you want? Yeah, it's $25 coin each, you know. And this is his claimer and his number 23, also number of CC Norcal. And this is the back, scratch a win, never tell me the odds, YouTube. This is cool. It's so pretty. Yeah, look at that. Okay guys, wish me luck. Let's find a win with scratch a win. Okay. Oh, smooth to scratch. By the way, here we need to find the Wheel of Fortune, 2x, 3x, and the 50 symbol win instantly, $50. Okay. Key, heart, the base, trophy, pretzel, ribbon, crown, the butterfly. I got butterfly. Oh, there you go. 3x. Woohoo! So nice. Wow. Nice. Oh my gosh, 15. Woohoo! $15. Awesome. Grab now. Grab. Get your coin now. Come on, guys. Okay. $15. Woohoo! Thank you, California. Ring. Moon. What's that? Purse. Pretzel. Star. Ribbon. Piggy bank. Trophy. Melon. Butterfly. I have butterfly. Okay. Come on. Okay. This is not a win. I'm gonna put this on second chance. Alright. Okay, we got 15 here. Woohoo! Let's do the Kapow. So I have 69 of J Sarge's favorite number. We need to find the bonus here. The fireworks, I guess, right? Yeah, $20. And 2x, 5x, and the Kapow word. Win 15 prizes. And this is book number 4. Okay, come on. The bar. Wallet na maswerte. Numbers, winning number 7, DK Scratcher, and pretty pretty and risky. Yeah. 16, 17, 19, and my 8 and LV so. Okay, let's find the match. $12, 14, 24 Bestie M2M, 23 CC Norcal, and of course, scratch a win. Tuk Tuk, NES. 6, we got 7. 28. Is there any 28? No. Someone's 28. 25, SoCal. 18, Money Speaks. 11, the Gambler. 26, 29, Brother Willie, Scratch to Win. 13, so nothing, right? Yeah, you got 18, 17 there, and 19. Yeah. Okay. Next kapaw, ticket 70. Gem. Pearl. Okay. 9, Fancy Nancy. 1, Matrix. 12, someone's 12. 24, Bestie M2M. 21, Time to Scratch, Carter. 19, AQ's Dolls and Granite Scratcher. 4, Prime Time. 23, CC Markel. Tuk Tuk, NES. And Chandra. 26, who's 26? No. 28, no. 11, The Gambler. 7, DK Scratcher. Pretty Witty. 18, 25, SoCal. 10, we get 9. 20, 6, my 8 and LVUSO, we get 9, 1 off, and 17. So no win on the kapaw. So let's go with, oops, Loteria. Okay. La Chalupa. Nope. Boots. I got it. The toilet seat. The sun and the little guitar. Got the sun. Okay. The man and the cacti. We got the cacti here. The man with the earth. Okay. The wig. We got the wig. The ladder. Okay, come on. Come on, Belle. We got that scorpion. The tree. No. La Rosa. Okay, we got La Rosa. Our ball. 1. And the tilapia. The chalupa is right here. Tilapia. No. Nope. We don't have the chicken and the froggy. Okay, not a win on ticket number 5. Ticket number 20. So I bought this in 3 different stores. Yeah. La Serena, Mermaid. Crown. Toilet seat. No. Bird on the stick. No. The drum. Yes. Okay. Scorpion. The chicken. The rooster. The hand. La harpa. The big guitar. No. The frog. Boots. Rose. Cacti. bird on the cage. Nothing. Yeah. Don't have the star. Don't have the tree. Okay, not a win. Ticket 18. Deer. No deer. Barrel. The teacher. The crown. The star. Look at the star. Come on. Okay. The tilapia, pescado, the ladder, bird on a cage, it's right here. The bell, do I have bell? The drum, the wig, do I have wig? No. The rooster, La Rosa, pear, the umbrella, don't have the boots. Okay, not a win. Okay, last ticket. Hold on. Ticket 19. Come on, ticket. Okay. I got that one. The frog. The froggy. No. Shrimp. Got the shrimp. The toilet seat, no. The spider, no. La Sirena, mermaid. The basin, yeah. Bird in the cage, no. The teacher, no. Flower pot here. Cacti, no. Musicero, there you go. Bird on a stick, okay. Oh, yeah. That's the ticket. Woohoo! Yes. Woohoo! So we get $18. Woohoo! So we get 15 here, and then ticket $1 here, $3 here. So we lost 10. Good session. Yeah. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching my video, and don't forget to get yours from Scratch a Win. I'm gonna put his channel on my description and order now. Yeah. Thank you so much, and good luck also to your ticket. We get $18. Bye. Thank you, California. Bye. Bye-bye. Look at my nails. Bye.